For centuries, traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine have harnessed the power of nature to promote health and well-being. One such treasure trove lies in adaptogens, a unique group of plants and herbs revered for their ability to help the body adapt to stress. These natural allies have been used for generations to enhance vitality, resilience, and overall balance. Imagine a plant growing in harsh, unforgiving conditions. To survive, it develops robust defenses and remarkable adaptability. Adaptogens work similarly in our bodies. They don't target specific ailments, but rather bolster our natural capacity to cope with physical, chemical, and biological stressors. From the high altitudes of the Himalayas to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, these remarkable herbs have been traditionally used to improve energy levels, support immune function, and promote mental clarity. In our modern world, where stress has become a pervasive aspect of daily life, adaptogens offer a gentle yet powerful way to restore balance and enhance our natural resilience. Let's delve deeper into the science behind these fascinating herbs and explore how they can benefit our health and well-being. Adaptogens work their magic by modulating the body's stress response system, primarily the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, or HPA axis. Think of the HPA axis as your body's central command center for managing stress. When you encounter a stressor, whether it's a looming deadline or a traffic jam, your HPA axis releases a cascade of hormones, including cortisol, to help you cope. However, when stress becomes chronic, this system can become overworked, leading to a range of health issues. Adaptogens act as stress buffers, helping to regulate the HPA axis and prevent it from becoming overactive or underactive. They do this by interacting with various neurotransmitters and hormones involved in the stress response, such as cortisol, adrenaline, and dopamine. This balancing act helps to explain why adaptogens can have such a broad range of benefits, from reducing anxiety and improving sleep to boosting energy levels and enhancing cognitive function. By supporting the body's natural ability to adapt to stress, adaptogens empower us to thrive even in the face of life's challenges. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, is a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine with a long history of use for promoting vitality and longevity. This powerful adaptogen is particularly renowned for its ability to combat stress and promote a sense of calm and tranquility. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can significantly reduce levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. In one study, participants who took ashwagandha daily for 60 days experienced a substantial reduction in perceived stress levels compared to those who took a placebo. Beyond its stress-busting effects, ashwagandha has also been shown to improve sleep quality, boost cognitive function, and enhance athletic performance. Its versatility and well-established safety profile make it a popular choice for those seeking natural support for stress management and overall well-being. Hailing from the cold, mountainous regions of Europe and Asia, rhodiola is an adaptogenic herb prized for its ability to enhance energy levels, improve mental clarity, and boost resilience to stress. It's often referred to as the golden root due to its remarkable properties. Rhodiola is believed to work by supporting the body's production of key neurotransmitters involved in mood, energy, and focus, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Research suggests that rhodiola can help combat fatigue, improve cognitive function, and enhance athletic performance, particularly during times of stress. In one study, students taking rhodiola during a stressful exam period experienced significant improvements in mental fatigue, sleep quality, and overall well-being compared to those taking a placebo. This adaptogen's ability to enhance both physical and mental resilience makes it an invaluable ally for navigating the demands of modern life. Revered in India as tulsi, holy basil is a fragrant herb with a long tradition of spiritual and medicinal use. This sacred plant is believed to promote peace of mind, enhance clarity, and support overall well-being. Holy basil contains compounds that exhibit potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to protect the body from the damaging effects of stress. Studies have shown that holy basil can help reduce anxiety, improve mood, and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. In addition to its mental health benefits, holy basil has also been traditionally used to support immune function, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote healthy digestion. Its versatility and gentle yet powerful effects make it a cherished herb for those seeking to restore balance and harmony to their mind and body. The growing body of scientific research on adaptogens continues to validate their traditional use and uncover new potential benefits. Clinical studies have demonstrated the efficacy of adaptogens in addressing a wide range of health concerns, including stress and anxiety. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil have been shown to reduce cortisol levels, promote relaxation, and improve symptoms of anxiety and stress, energy and fatigue. Rhodiola in particular has demonstrated its ability to combat fatigue, enhance mental clarity, and improve physical endurance. Cognitive function. Ashwagandha and rhodiola have shown promise in improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Immune support. Adaptogens, including holy basil, may help to modulate the immune system, enhancing its ability to fight off infections and reduce inflammation. As research continues, we can expect to gain an even deeper understanding of the mechanisms by which adaptogens exert their beneficial effects and their potential applications in promoting health and well-being. With so many adaptogens available, it's essential to choose the one that aligns best with your individual needs and health goals. Consulting with a qualified healthcare professional is always recommended to determine the right adaptogen and dosage for you. Here's a quick guide to help you get started. For stress and anxiety, ashwagandha, rhodiola, holy basil. For energy and fatigue, rhodiola, Siberian ginseng. For cognitive function, ashwagandha, lion's mane mushroom. For immune support, holy basil, astragalus. Remember, adaptogens are not a quick fix, but rather a gentle and supportive way to nourish your body's natural ability to adapt and thrive. Integrating adaptogens into your daily routine is easier than you might think. These versatile herbs can be consumed in various forms, including powders. Add adaptogen powders to smoothies, yogurt, or warm beverages. Capsules. Capsules offer a convenient and precise way to take adaptogens on the go. Teas. Enjoy a soothing cup of adaptogenic tea, such as holy basil or ashwagandha tea. Tinctures. Tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts that can be added to water or taken directly. Start with a low dose and gradually increase as needed, paying attention to how your body responds. It's also important to source high-quality adaptogens from reputable brands to ensure purity and potency. While adaptogens can be powerful allies in supporting our health and well-being, it's essential to remember that they are most effective when integrated into a holistic approach to health. By embracing a holistic approach to health and incorporating adaptogens into a well-rounded lifestyle, you can empower your body's natural resilience and unlock your full potential for health and well-being. And remember to always consult with a medical professional before beginning a supplement routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the description for Supplement Scoop's favorite adaptogen supplements. Thanks for watching.